Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to turn off profanity filter in Valorant. Well, basically guys, profanity is filter is basically the thing that turns any kind of bad words into stars. For example, if you write any kind of racism or any kind of bad words, you can see them as stars instead of the word itself. So, how you can actually turn that off? Well, it is pretty simple. First of all, I will need you guys to open your client, your Riot Games client, and then log into your Valorant account. After that, launch the game. Of course, you need first to check if it is on or off by writing any bad word that you have in mind. Now, after you write this word and you find it's looking like stars, what you'll have to do is pretty simple. Just go ahead to your client, go here to the top right corner, click on this circle and then go to settings. Here you'll find multiple settings, controls, crosshair, video, audio. We will have to go to controls. Here we'll find actions, equipment, communication interface. We have to go to communication. Now, as you can see here, guys, you'll find voice chat, text chat, and pings. Go to text chat, and here you'll find three options. The first one, it is the tactical callout in chat. So any pings that you can help with, that your teammates can help you with, will appear in chat. If you want to turn that on, you can turn it on. Now, the thing that I will gonna show you in this tutorial is the explicit language filter. So if it is turned on, basically the only thing that you have to do is turn it off. And if you have added, for example, someday any bad words here, muted word list, for example, hi, and you turn it into a bad word. Let's say, for example, hi is a bad word. So let me just go here, hi. So basically, if anyone beside you sends this word, it will be turned into like stars. So if I turn something like that here, let me test it here. So it will be looking good. But if I said any kind of bad words, it will be turned into stars, guys. Now, as you can see, in order to remove it, you just have to click here into cancel and here on off. So yeah, that's it. This was it, guys. That's how you can actually turn off profanity filter in Valorant. Thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.